Mastering the basics. Setting the alarm clock. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase in English: set the alarm clock. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in daily life but also enhances your grasp of English language commands. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some key examples to make sure you can use it confidently. Set the alarm clock refers to the action of programming an alarm clock to ring at a specific time. This phrase is commonly used when someone wants to make sure they wake up or remember to do something at a certain time. It involves adjusting the alarm clock to the time you wish to be alerted. Knowing how to set the alarm clock is essential for managing your time effectively. Whether it's for waking up early for school or work, or reminding yourself of an important event, setting an alarm ensures that you do not forget and helps maintain your schedule. It's a practical skill that also offers a glimpse into daily life vocabulary in English. Here are some examples of how to use set the alarm clock in sentences. I need to set the alarm clock for 6 a.m. to catch my flight. Can you set the alarm clock for 8 a.m.? I have an important meeting tomorrow. I forgot to set the alarm clock and overslept this morning. These sentences show different scenarios where you might need to use this phrase, highlighting its versatility in everyday conversation. To remember the phrase, set the alarm clock, associate it with the action you take before going to bed or when planning your day. Visualizing the physical or digital action of setting an alarm can also help reinforce its meaning and usage in your memory. That's all for today's lesson on how to set the alarm clock. We hope this video has shed light on this useful phrase and you're now more comfortable using it in your daily life. Remember, practicing little phrases like this can significantly improve your English language skills over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to set your alarm clock for our next video.